Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to disable in-app notifications for mentions in saved pins on Pinterest. If you find these notifications distracting, follow these simple steps to regain control over your Pinterest experience. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings seamlessly. Next, tap on Saved at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to your profile. Once there, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner. This step is crucial as it leads you to the settings menu where you can manage your notifications. Now that you're in your profile, look for the notifications option. Tap on it to enter the notifications settings. Here you'll find various options that control how and when you receive alerts from Pinterest. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Pins You Saved. Under this section, locate and click on Mentions. This is where Pinterest notifies you when someone mentions you in relation to pins you've saved. Finally, to disable these in-app notifications, simply toggle the switch off. This action will stop all in-app notifications related to mentions in your saved pins, allowing for a more peaceful browsing experience without those constant interruptions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled in-app notifications for mentions in saved pins on Pinterest. Enjoy a quieter and more focused time pinning without distractions. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy pinning!